Hi! Want your English to sound natural and flow smoothly? Here's how. Use everyday expressions. Instead of, I am okay, try, I'm doing great. Match the rhythm of native speakers. Pause naturally. Don't rush words. Add contractions, like I'm, you're, there. Make your speech sound fluent. React naturally. Use short responses like exactly or absolutely. Practice these tips daily and watch your conversations become smooth and confident. Start now and be part of English Fluency Secrets. Speak confidently, sound natural.